Hello, and welcome to Learn Java on Codecademy. We're in the Data Structures section, this lesson, ArrayList. It says, fantastic. For loops will be useful when reading and manipulating Java data structures. Let's talk about a few data structures that are built into Java. The first data structure we will explore is called the ArrayList. The ArrayList stores a list of data of a specified type. Let's go through an example of how to create or declare an array list of type integer. Here's our example. We have array list of type integer. We're naming that quiz grades, and we're making it a new array list of type integer. Just how we do create an instance of our class. This is basically what we're doing here. Creating an instance of array list integer by the name of quiz grades. So in the example above, we create an array list object called quizgrades that will store data types belonging to the integer class, whole numbers. Instructions: inside of the main method, create an array list object called weeklyTemperatures that will store integer data types. So inside of our main method, which is here's our opening and ending. So in here we just want to do array list. It's going to be type integer, and we're naming it weekly temperatures, and that's assigned new array list integer, and then parentheses. So that should be all we need to do. We did pass it. So here the important thing, we created this array list, and it takes this integer type, and it's called weeklyTemperatures. So weeklyTemperatures is an array list that holds an integer, and this created weeklyTemperatures. So when we press run, it creates this object, weeklyTemperatures, or this array list. But that's the important thing to take from this lesson. If you found it helpful, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next lesson.